Grounded in Light, a meditation for global healing. Welcome to this time to focus on support. Support for ourselves and support for the earth and all of its inhabitants. We begin by turning inward. Before we offer healing to the world, let's fill and steady ourselves within. This is a time to receive, to center, to fill up. We invite Reiki energy in to guide our process. We are open and accepting to Reiki as it flows, knowing whatever our needs are that Reiki will be available for our highest good. Understanding that Reiki will move to where it's most needed, gently and naturally. As you breathe in your own natural, comfortable cycle or rhythm, imagine visualizing a brilliant white light, a stream of universal energy, pure and cleansing. And if you don't visualize, just allow the words to flow through you. Consider a lotus flower resting gently at the crown of your head. With each breath, feel this lotus opening, allowing in the Reiki energy and the white light to pour into you. This light flows easily, effortlessly, filling your entire being. Feel it moving through your head, into your shoulders, down your arms. Feel it moving down into your chest, your full abdomen, hips, legs, and feet. Every cell receives this light. Every breath fills you more deeply. You are not pulling or striving, just receiving. Reiki flows to and through you effortlessly, guided by your openness and intention. Allow this radiant light to cleanse and nourish you. With every inhale, invite in more light. With every exhale, release tension, heaviness, anything you no longer need. As you become filled with this light, you may notice it expanding naturally beyond your body. With that, you are now surrounded by a luminous field, a soft and steady glow that reaches outward. This is your energy, overflowing, not being taken, but being freely shared. Hold the image of yourself as a vessel, full, radiant, and stable. You are a beacon of peace, healing, and love. Now, with intention, allow this light to extend beyond you. It moves gently into the space around you. Your home, your community, and beyond. Keep your breath moving fully here. And from this place of fullness, let's offer these intentions, these prayers, these loving thoughts. We ask for the healing of Mother Earth herself, the healing of every drop of water, every grain of sand, every molecule of earth and air, the healing of every rock, every tree, and all things that grow. We extend this prayer, this intention, to everything that inhabits the waters, to everything that flies or crawls, to all who walk on 4 legs or 2 legs, to every human being. We ask for the relief of suffering, for the dissolving of conflict, hatred, anger, fear, worry, pain, and limiting beliefs. We ask that grace, love, peace, kindness, and trust flow into every heart. May these qualities radiate outward from us and from all beings until every thought, every word, and every deed is an expression of love. Hold this vision now, this intention. Imagine the earth glowing with healing light. Feel your connection to all life, sharing in this moment of collective healing. You are not responsible for healing the entire world. You are simply offering your light, loving, true. With every breath you contribute to harmony. You walk in peace, connected to all that is. Now breathe gently and allow your intention to flow. No effort, no strain, just a natural extension of the light you carry within. If any distractions or heavy thoughts arise, let them dissolve into the white light. Let the light within you push them outward, transmuting them into peace and clarity. Perhaps deepen your breath for a moment before you settle back into your comfortable breathing rhythm. And let's rest together here for a moment in the knowledge that your energy, your goodness, is moving outward into the world. When you feel ready, gently bring your focus back to your own being. Feel the light within you, still glowing, still strong. Let's offer together a moment of gratitude to Reiki, to yourself, and to the beautiful connection we all share in this circle of healing. Feel free to close up your lotus flower if you desire to hold in that beautiful white light buoyancy and sense yourself as balanced, grounded, and connected. Much gratitude for joining me. I appreciate this opportunity to reach out to you and to the rest of the world. May you continue to journey toward peace.